Hello everyone. So in today's video, we're gonna discover ChatGPT. How it can help in developers' productivity. I'll share some of the examples that will help you. So let's start. I have a prompt that to give us a weekly plan the necessary resource to learn Python. So it is generating the result. So it has given us a 4 week total plan to learn Python with resources as well. See YouTube video resource, documentation, books, all the best ones it has given us. Now let's see if you have a problem with a specific topic, you can ask for explanation. I have asked to explain hoisting. It is one of the critical topics in JavaScript. So let's see what ChatGPT gives us. It has given us the uh, explanation what hosting. Next, what we can do if we have some code already, we can ask to find bugs. So it is analyzed my code and given to suggestion to improve. Okay. One interesting thing we can do is like I want to convert this code into Python. You can convert any. You can choose any language you want. It is generating the response. It is generating the Python code for the exact same. So this was some example of using ChatGPT to increase the productivity of the developer. Thank you.